points, right? And you can write whatever you need in this book so that it says what you want it to say. Let's just wash them off first. Thank you. All right. So we're just going to start with these 4 points first. All right. So here we go. We have the spleen. Are you guys, Lisa and Annie, are you looking in your books? You're reading along in the green book. Perfect. So the spleen reflex, it's located on the left foot only. Use your right hand, left foot, and using your thumb, you make circles and thumb walk in all directions and then hook in and hold for 30 seconds. And release and just kind of circle it again to close. So I will tell you this, it is below the lungs, right? We know all about where the lungs are. So if you go to the base of that, it's like that. And in your chart that we looked at this morning, you can clearly see the spleen, right? So I'm just digging in here to the spleen, right in here, and then I hook in this way.
How do you hook? You would just go in like that?
Just, yeah.
Go in. Okay.
Hook in like that.
Okay.
Right? And so there, you can see the spleen clearly.
Okay.
All right? So here's our spleen. Good.
Oh, nice.
Nice? And then you're going to move to the right foot. You're going to manipulate the liver reflex. Now, it's a triangular mound located on the upper outer quadrant of the right foot. This time, use your left hand and you thumb walk this area lateral to medial 3 times and heel and flush. And I'm going to show you. Okay, so you come below, right? Now, we don't know it yet, but the duodenum is over here. And the duodenum is your key point, okay? So we want to stay below the lung. And it's like a triangle that you walk. And I do it like this, and then I do it like this. Like this. That whole triangle in here is the liver. And it always leads you back here to the duodenum, which in the next series, we'll be learning the duodenum, okay? Now, while you're on this right foot, the liver and the gallbladder, they're located on the same foot. And the gallbladder is just like the spleen over here, except it's smaller. And again, you will manipulate it like right at the corner of the liver and hook in this way this time. See that? Pulling motion. So here is your gallbladder. Right? And then you come to the pancreas. Now the pancreas, we know that the heart is right here. There's the heart. There's the heart, right? We are just slightly below the heart. And it's on both feet. And again, it will lead us right to the duodenum. They're all connected like this. So we'll give this a minute to dry so that I don't end up with shitty fingers. Because we're using brown today. Yeah. It's not chocolate ice cream.
Can I ask a question?
You can.
So when I look at that picture, right, on a liver, right? So it looks like here, that's what metatarsal is. It looks like the metatarsal is here.
Right.
I would think that this line should come here. Looking there, I'm just,
right.
But you
right.
You went down, so I feel like
right.
It looks like the line could be like up to here because this guy is right. There, look how.
Look it can be 1 centimeter above.
Okay.
Yes, but you're not here
No,
in the lungs.
below.
But
below.
yeah, you can
Yes.
be 1 centimeter up.
A little bit
I'm gonna cover this whole area, Mookie. When I
Okay.
walk like this,
Okay.
I walk like this.
Okay. So your thumb's going to cover. Okay. I
Yeah.
got it.
All right. So I make it like this for
That's it.
Mookie. There. Better.
Yes, because I'm trying to see it.
But don't. This is a picture. This is a foot,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
This is your guide,
Yes.
but this you can feel,
That's right.
right?
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
So we're gonna.
Anisha, could you just show me a quick hook in? Because I was looking down, writing on something, and you did it really quick, what the hook in looks like.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a hook in right here for you, right? So this is the gallbladder, and I'm just stimulating the gallbladder like this, and then I just kind of hook in. I'm pinching and pulling back toward that bone. Hook,
Got it. Okay, I got it. Perfect.
hook in.
Like
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
So like the same like that?
Try not to use your thumbnail.
No. Yeah.
Those need cutting, but that's exactly hook in.
That.
Yeah. Now,
I'm going to cut it again.
the pancreas, it says here, located above the waistline. So here's the waistline of both feet, right? Midway. It's located above the waistline, and it's extending from the center of the inner edges of both insteps. So it's on like the medial aspect of the foot, not so much on the plantar. We're over here, like where the heart was, okay? Right thumb, left foot. You walk the plantar, from the plantar, walk it like this. Walk it like this, and I'm staying below the heart, and walk it like this.
You can't see.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
So
I am tapping it. I'm sending you the what do you
I'm
call it?
walking it like
what do you call
this.
The video.
Walking it like this 3 times, walking it like this, and then I'm going to continue finishing the pancreas on this side, below the heart. I use the same thumb, except this time I'm walking it toward me, just below the heart, manipulating the pancreas. So you see that? You walk this away, and then you walk this away. And when you heel and flush in the direction you work, this is an artistic move, right? The art, history, and science of reflexology. So let's just go through these 4 upper abdominal reflex points. It starts on the left foot with the spleen. And I'm going to manipulate this spleen. You can thumb walk. You can do anything to manipulate the spleen. And then hook in. Hold it for about 30 seconds. And you just release it. You can tap it closed. You can circle it closed, whatever you want. Now both hands come to the right foot. And first I'm going to walk the triangle of the liver. And you can make 4 or 5 passes, however many fit within your triangle. You know, if you have a big foot, you're gonna do maybe 5. And then I like to come back up, do it again, so that I end up back at the top like that. And now I slide over, and I'm going to stimulate the gallbladder. And again, I'm gonna hook in and hold that gallbladder, just like that. And then we can tap it closed. We can just close it like that. And I'm gonna finish with the pancreas. So I'm gonna start on the left foot. I'm gonna stay below the heart, and I'm gonna thumb walk from the plantar to the dorsal, plantar to the dorsal, plantar to the dorsal. And I'll continue on the right foot from the dorsal to the plantar, from the dorsal to the plantar, from the dorsal to the plantar. And then this, I will heel and flush the direction that I worked.
Ooh, okay.
Those are
D.
the 4 upper abdominal reflex points. Nice job, Lisa. I see you. You're healing flush.
They're already doing it.
Okay. All right. So somebody can sit right here. I'll get up.